Hello and welcome to my channel Expert Learning Academy. This is Siraj. Today we are going to learn about dynamic dependent drop-down list. Uh, Here I have taken some random data like a snaps. Let me change it to sanitary pad and incense sticks, noodles. So accordingly, I have mentioned the raw materials of a sanitary pad, incense stick, noodles. So these are the data. So let's see. So how this is work, how this dynamic drop down list is working. So first thing what we have to do is making a go to data validation, select list, and then click on source, and then select sanitary pad, instance stick, and noodles, three of them. First create the normal drop down list, which is very easy, and make it, please copy it and then down and paste. Now this is your normal data. Sorry for that interruption. And this is only for highlighting the data. And then now the real challenges come. What I have to do that when I click on sanitary pad, then I will get the relevant data of the sanitary pad like it. Let me start with equal to offset. Select the cell reference is equal to sanitary pad. Make it freeze. Just to let me just do it. Yep, that's great. Comma, then one. Why I choose one? Offset is the only function which is count from down leg also. So this is I count from sanitary pad below the below the data. I mean to say below sanitary pad what the data actually is that mentioned. So that is only it will count, and then again use the match function. Match, then click here the lookup reference. This is called the sanitary pad is the x4 value. Cell value name is x4, and then make it freeze again, then comma, then lookup array. Select the three of the uh, rows. I believe the sanitary pad, instance stick, noodles, and then make it freeze, and then comma, then exact math 0, then bracket close, then -1. Why I have mentioned -1, I will tell you later. Let me just complete the video. I mean to complete the formula, and then I'll tell you about the why we use -1 in offset. I will get when we get the data here, sanitary pad, and then here get the data wood pulp strip. The first data we get SN1 the wood pulp strip, and then second one we click on incense stick. This is black powder, and then third one noodles. When you click on it, automatically get the data is ND1. Well, this is not the solution. What we need that we need the all data. Means when you click on center pad, all the drop down list will become like SN1, SN2, SN3, like same for all the instance stick and version. What we have to do, just copy the data right to left, and then use count A formula, then paste the data again, and then use -1, then 8. Otherwise you can mention 10. So why we mention 10, I'll tell you. Okay, and then bracket close, just a minute, bracket close, and then this is the for weight, and then get the data. Now what we have to do, just copy the data, overall data. Just copy the data, and then go to data validation, list, source, then equal to, and then paste the data here, and then OK. and now we'll get the data all related to noodles. When you click on noodles, it will get the data of all the data nd1, nd2 and packet as we have mentioned there. And when you click on the Centripad or other, the Centripad will get the data accordingly. SN8 is that. Now, yeah, same also in Instinctive also. It's working. Now click on, then we can change this to 10 to 8, whatever number you want to write, you can put there. I mentioned 10 here, because why I mentioned 10 here, because only to, as far as you can, it's only for the data, means you can take more data like a test 1, test 2, that I have set it to 10. After 10, the cell value will not be accepted, like it's mentioned here SN1, SN8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we can add more 2 cell value like 9 or 10, like whatever you want to add. So that's the maximum number. If you want to add more number, you can add 15, you can put their number 15, 16, 17, 18. It's up to you as per your data requirement. Now what we have to do here, just copy the data, right click, paste special, and then data validation. Now what we can then get the data, Centripad, then get the data. Yeah, here instance, oh, it's gonna be, oh, it's freeze. Why it's freeze, I'll tell you. I believe that there is some data issue over there, so I have to correct it. Let's check where is the issue. I have copied all the data again and then paste it here to check where I did the mistake. Yeah, there is option. Yeah, value is okay. Yeah, yes, I did the mistake. Yeah, freeze option. Yeah, I did the mistake here. Yeah, again I did the mistake T4 again. I have to make it freeze here again. Yeah, oh, yeah, then it's good. Now I'll copy it and then select the data validation, then delete the previous data equal to, and then paste it, and then okay. Now just copy the data, validation, paste special, data validation. Now we'll get the actual result and data. Is it? So here I just want to tell you one thing, why we use count A formula here to get the exact value. To get the exact value of the data, means we only get the uh, count A formula is used to show the actual data, means it shows you the last data, not the blanks. It will remove the blanks, just a thing. That's why we use count A formula here. Hope you understand. If you not understand, please do comment me. I'll happy to address your comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.